Here we are. This is day 1 of week 2. Poured on Friday. Today is Monday. So we tore down all the scabs off the wall. Left the braces up with just a screw or two, so we can move them over to the other side when we're ready, just like we did on this side. And now, this is what we got going for day 1 of week 2. Got some windows in, scaffolding up. We're looking in good shape. We got to make a pour on Friday. There's my man Jetty. This we got done today, plus the tear down. Killing it. Killing in Hawaii. Back in Oahu. There's the Concord guys over there. They're good guys. Good guys. Did good work. The slab was super good. Anyway, this was the last pour, and this is day 2 of week 2. Got all the braces off. Moved them all this side over here. We got all our doors and windows in. Got them all squared up. Looks like we're gonna have one more full day out here and maybe have Thursday off. That would be nice. But we are doing this with 3 guys. And I got the best 3 guys I could possibly have. These guys are killing it. Looking good, looking good. Got the garage doors in. Got a little T-wall over there. Little T-wall over there. We got a little bit of work tomorrow, but we're gonna get some rest. Come back at it fresh. Hit it hard. Day 3 of week 2. And obviously that was where we got done the first day. The ocean is down there, if you can see it. And over here, we are barred out, stacked out. Little bit of work in the morning, tighten up some stuff, get some GLBs in, some foaming, a little more scabbing, and then it's playtime. Friday we're pouring. But here we are, all braced up, barred, stacked out, dang near ready. Good morning. Here we are. Day 5 of week 2. This is our last day. We're gonna pour this today. Have a couple hour tear down in the morning and we are done. Headed home on Sunday. But we are ready to pour our second pour. There's the beautiful ocean out there. Up on the scaffold, it's much better. You got the breeze blowing. Get the sea out there. Here we are. It's been a great time out here. There's Mr. Jetty right there. He's the man. One more peek at the ocean out there. Beautiful job site here.